Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today I am going to teach about finite and non-finite. So, my dear students, let us first know what is a finite verb. So, to say, what is a finite verb? Finite. What is finite? The verb which shows tense is called a finite verb. For example, we can take the example. Sometimes we take some example to clarify what is a finite verb. Let's take an example. Birds fly. Birds fly. Here, fly is the single verb which shows about tense, and there is only one verb that shows us about tense. It is about simple present. Now, birds are flying. Birds are flying. Birds are flying. Here are two verbs. Are flying. Are referring to present form and tense verb, but flying shows no tense. How? Birds we are flying. Here we are referring to past tense, but the verb flying shows no tense. So, flying is the non-finite form of verb, but in number one example, fly is the finite form. That means it has its verb form and it shows us about present form. But here, flying speaks about no tense form. That means it refers to only an addition of verb group. Addition of verb group. So, my dear students, let us know about non-finite. Non-finite. Non-finite can be broadly divided into two groups. Infinitive group, infinitive group, non-infinitive group. Infinitive group can be divided into two infinitive, bare infinitive. Non-infinitive can be divided into two, inform, N form, or so to say PP form. Let us take some examples from each group. Let us take some examples about each groups. I want to go home. I want to go home. Let me go home. In number one, non-finite is to go. In number two, only go. So, here 2 is added to non-finite verb, but there is no infinitive group, so it is called bare infinitive. Let us take the example of ing. I prefer being alone. I prefer being alone. I prefer being alone. Children enjoy. Children enjoy eating sweets. sweets. I got my eyes tested. I got my eyes tested. These are some examples of non-finite verbs. Sometimes we feel some confusion about the use of finite and non-finite. In case of, let us take some example. I playing football. Is it a correct sentence, students? Is it a correct sentence? No. Obviously it is not. But this verb, if we use this verb as a non-finite, it will be a correct one. I enjoy playing football. It is a correct sense. How? Now enjoy referring to finite group. Enjoy speaks us about tense form. So there is no role of playing here. So it is a sentence. I enjoy playing football. Mira, go home. Mira, go home. Is it a sentence? Students, is it a correct sentence? Nobody can say it is a correct sentence because it has no tense form. Let us make it a correct one. We let Mira go home. We let Mira go home.